Hi Owls, here are your instructions for voting for 2018 Homecoming Royalty. You will be given a link and a QR code to vote for your class, as well as the Senior King and Queen. All grade levels are voting for the Senior King and Queen, but you are also voting for your grade level Prince and Princess. All winners will be announced at the halftime show at Friday night's football game. The game starts at 7:30 at CBAC. Senior Advisory Teachers, please pause the video now and allow your seniors to vote. Junior Advisory Teachers, pause the video now and allow juniors to vote. Sophomore Advisory Teachers, pause the video now and allow your sophomores to vote. Freshman Advisory Teachers, pause the video now and allow your sophomores to vote.